Hi everyone, this is Anshu Hegde. I am a beauty and skincare therapist, motivational trainer, a makeup artist, and a health and wellness consultant. Today I'll teach you the oil cleansing method, light scrubbing, and how you do the toning with the icing, and finally the moisturizing. Okay, what I'm going to do is I already applied a little bit of oil on my face. You can take any oil. I usually do it with this oil. It has got 9 oil infused in it. Otherwise, what you can do is take a little bit of coconut oil and add 1 vitamin E capsule in it. Take it on your palm. I'll do it with this and show it to you. Just take it a little bit on your palm and apply onto your face. And start gently massaging it on your face. Near your eyebrows, in your eyebrows, eye circle. Once you do this, you have to just massage it for a minute or 30 seconds depending on your skin tone. If your skin type is dry, then you can do it for a minute, massage it for a minute. If your skin is oily, just apply, just do a circular motion for 10 seconds and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes on your face. Okay, it's been 1 hour now that the oil is on my face. Now I will be removing the oil. What I have done is I have dipped the cotton into the hot water, squeeze the extra water, and I'm just going to wipe it. See the cleansing. If you can just see, this is how all the dirt will come out of your skin. I have loved the result. So after this, what we can do is we can do a light scrubbing, or if you don't want to do the scrubbing, I give a method called icing method, where you can make ice cubes with the fruit juices like orange juice, the papaya, or you can do it with the tender coconut water, or you can do it with the coconut milk, or even watermelon. So whatever suits you. You can make it with the red grape juice. That is also a very good thing. And you can make it with green tea. You can make it with neem water. Make an ice cube. Okay, so this is with the tender coconut. If you don't have anything, you can just take the normal ice cube and start rubbing on the face. Okay, once you are done with this, when you rub this, what I am doing now is I am doing little bit of scrubbing. This is my own made organic scrub. It has got almonds, it has got strawberry. Okay, just little bit. And you have to be very, very gentle when you are doing the scrubbing. The right way to do scrubbing is with the ice cube. Just take the ice cube, rub it on your palm, and with very gentle circulation motions. Now what you have to do is leave the scrub on your face for 10 minutes and then we will remove it and see. Okay, now it's been 10 minutes and all the scrub what I have applied is dried up. What I will do is take the ice cube again, rub it on my palms and just gently massage it even onto your lips, because whatever the dead skin is there will come out. Okay, so once you are done with this, go and wash your face. So just washed my face and just wiped up and cleared up. Once you wipe your face, do not do this, just do this and dab it and remove the excess water what you have. So now I'm done with my oil cleansing icing that works as a toner, and I've done a little bit of scrubbing and left it on for 10 minutes on my face, which also worked as a pack for me. So the final thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the moisturizer. Whatever the moisturizer you have, you can apply. I use this Clear Balance Day Cream, which is with SPF. SPF is very important, which you need to have on your face. If your moisturizer doesn't contain SPF, you can apply it extra one. To Indian skin, actually minimum of SPF 15 is more than enough, and if you're going outdoor, then you can apply it somewhere around SPF 30 to 40. That's more than enough. So what I will be doing is I will be applying the cream, my moisturizer, onto my face. And just a little bit of lipstick, kajal, and a bindi. I'm good to go. Wait for the final look. So here is all for the day, and take care. Have a beautiful day. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay happy, and stay beautiful.